40%.
That'll fail or work. Which one?
Fail.
Yeah, it's pretty good odds. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. That lines up too. Yeah, they kind of. Yeah, they line up. All right. A little scary. Now, my only fear is I'm gonna just go off of it.
We'll see.
I just don't know when to stop on the trailer. I've never done that before, so.
You'll figure it out.
Oh, I sure will. It works! Oh my God!
A little more. A little more. Stop. There you go.